Hi everyone, in front of me I've got the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the 3-button navigation, you have to simply tap on the button with a square icon and you will be transferred to recents. If you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here. So simply make this elongated gesture and hold your finger. Just like that. And after releasing, here you've got the recents. If you wish, you can remove them, close them actually one by one, just by swiping them up. However, if you've got a lot of apps opened and you don't want to do it manually, all you have to do is to scroll to the left, so you can just quickly swipe, so your device will automatically go to the very left, and then simply tap on clear all. Now we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.